In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Jotform responses. Whether you're managing a simple survey or a complex multi-step form, being able to efficiently view and interpret responses is crucial. So let's dive right in and explore this process together. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Jotform account. This is where everything begins, so make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you'll want to navigate over to My Forms. This section is essentially the hub for all the forms you've created or have access to. It's a bit like having your own personal library of forms, all conveniently organized in one place. Now take a moment to browse through your forms and find the specific one whose responses you are eager to review. Once you locate it, click on it, and more specifically, click on Responses. This is the gateway to viewing all the collected data from your form respondents. It is where everything comes together. After clicking, select the option labeled View Responses. At this point, you'll be greeted with all the submissions laid out in a spreadsheet-style table. This setup is particularly user-friendly because it's designed to be easy to scan and sort. Imagine it like a digital ledger, presenting each piece of information in clear columnar format. Having responses in this style allows you to quickly identify trends, sort specific data points, and analyze the results of your form at a glance. If you're dealing with numerous entries or extensive data, the spreadsheet format is invaluable for its ability to help streamline your workflow. You can sort each column to prioritize certain responses or use built-in filters to isolate specific entries that you're interested in examining more closely. Think of it as having the power to transform an overwhelming sea of data into a manageable and insightful view. Additionally, the View Responses feature allows for collaborative use. This means you can share or export this data with team members or stakeholders if teamwork is part of your workflow process. The shared table ensures everyone remains on the same page and can discuss or make decisions based on the same set of data. In summary, the process of viewing responses on Jotform is designed to be straightforward and efficient. The table format ensures you stay organized, allowing you to focus more on the insights and less on data management. As you navigate your way through the responses, remember that each click you make is a step toward maintaining an informed and smoothly running operation. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough, and I hope this enhances your proficiency with Jotform. Happy data